Warning: tip over hazard. Refrigerator is top heavy and tips easily when not completely installed. Keep doors taped closed until refrigerator is completely installed. Use 2 or more people to move and install refrigerator. Failure to do so can result in death or serious injury. Remove and set aside any literature. The side trims give a finished edge on each side of the refrigerator. This trim overlaps the face of the cabinetry. If you do not have adequate ceiling height to stand the refrigerator upright, the tipping radius can be reduced by removing the top grill and side trims. Remove the trim by first removing the grill panel. Grasp both ends of the top grill. Pull out at the bottom of the grill to release the clips. Lift the grill straight up. Lay the grill on a soft surface and turn the master power switch to off or disconnect power at the circuit breaker. Remove the 6 screws attaching each cabinet side trim to the refrigerator and remove the side trim. Do not remove the tape, door bracing, or the protective film until the refrigerator is in its final operating location. If the unit has been laid on its back or side, allow it to stand upright for a minimum of 24 hours before connecting power. A unit that must move its side must be left side leaned and transported left side down.